Do you know the rules to solve the reorder paragraphs? If not, write it down. The first, find out the most general and independent sentence. So, general sentence means the overall or the main idea or a broader view. So, the independent sentence will not start with the pronouns such as this, that, he, or she, but I, we, you can be your first sentence. And the second rule, conjunctions like but, however, yet cannot be the first sentence. But, although, despite, in spite can be your first sentence. Second rule, nouns come first, then come the pronoun. Third rule, full name comes first, then comes the short name. For example, United Kingdom comes first, then comes UK. Fourth is chronological dates and events. And in the middle of the sentence, conjunctions like however, but can also come. So, study all these rules and you can apply in your reorder paragraphs. Till then, see you in next video.